What time is your flight?
My flight is at 9 o'clock.
Where is your passport?
It is in my bag.
What do you pack for travel?
I pack clothes and documents.
Where is your suitcase?
It is near the door.
What clothes are you taking?
I am taking light clothes.
Where are you going?
I am going to Dubai.
What is the reason for travel?
I am going for vacation.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel.
What hotel did you book?
I booked the City Star Hotel.
Where is that hotel located?
It is near the beach.
What will you do there?
I will visit famous places.
Where do you want to go first?
I want to go to the mall.
What will you buy there?
I will buy gifts.
Where is the best shopping place?
It is in the city center.
What time does the market open?
It opens at 10.
Where will you eat?
I will eat at a local restaurant.
What food do you want to try?
I want to try local dishes.
Where do you keep your travel tickets?
I keep them in my wallet.
What is your seat number?
My seat number is 14A.
Where is your boarding pass?
It is in my jacket pocket.
What gate do you need to go to?
I need to go to gate 5.
Where is gate 5?
It is on the second floor.
What will you do at the airport?
I will wait and relax.
Where is the lounge area?
It is near the coffee shop.
What drink do you like before flight?
I like coffee.
Where do you charge your phone?
I charge it near the seat.
What is your luggage weight?
It is 18 kilograms.
Where is the check-in counter?
It is near the entrance.
What documents do they ask for?
They ask for passport and ticket.
Where do you show your ID?
I show it at security.
What do you do at security check?
I take off my shoes and belt.
Where is your boarding gate now?
It is at the end of the hall.
What time will you land?
I will land at 11.
Where is the arrival gate?
It is on the ground floor.
What taxi will you take?
I will take an online cab.
Where will the driver wait?
He will wait near the exit.
What app do you use for booking?
I use Uber.
Where do you want to visit next?
I want to visit the museum.
What do you want to see there?
I want to see old things.
Where is the museum located?
It is in the old city.
What time does it open?
It opens at 9 in the morning.
Where do you buy the ticket?
I buy it at the entrance.
What camera do you use?
I use my phone camera.
Where do you take photos?
I take them near monuments.
What places do you love visiting?
I love beaches and parks.
Where is the nearest beach?
It is 10 minutes away.
What do you do at the beach?
I walk and take pictures.
Where do you keep your slippers?
I leave them near a rock.
What do you eat at the beach?
I eat ice cream and snacks.
Where do you sit at the beach?
I sit on the sand.
What do you like about travel?
I like meeting new people.
Where do you want to go next year?
I want to go to Turkey.
What is your dream destination?
My dream is to visit Japan.
Where do your friends want to go?
They want to go to Europe.
What makes travel fun for you?
Good weather and good food.
Where do you keep your travel journal?
I keep it in my backpack.
What do you write in it?
I write my daily travel stories.
Where do you find new places?
I find them on the internet.
What time do you return home?
I return in 2 weeks.
Where do you rest after travel?
I rest at home.
What gifts will you bring?
I will bring keychains and snacks.
Where do you pack the gifts?
I pack them in a small bag.
What photos will you print?
I will print sunset photos.
Where do you upload travel photos?
I upload them on Instagram.
What travel tips do you follow?
Pack light and stay safe.
Where do you store your money?
I use a travel pouch.
What do you do if you get lost?
I use Google Maps.
Where is the embassy office?
It is near the Central Road.
What do you do in an emergency?
I call local police or embassy.
Where is your return ticket?
It is in my email.
What time is your return flight?
It is at 6 in the evening.
Where do you check flight status?
I check it online.
What travel apps do you use?
I use Google Maps and TripAdvisor.
Where do you find good restaurants?
I search them on maps.
What do you do on long flights?
I watch movies and sleep.
Where is your neck pillow?
It is in my hand carry.
What book do you carry?
I carry a short novel.
Where do you sit on the plane?
I sit near the window.
What do you do during takeoff?
I stay calm and close my eyes.
Where is your hand carry bag?
It is under the seat.
What snacks do you take?
I take chips and juice.
Where do you keep your charger?
I keep it in the front pocket.
What music do you listen to?
I listen to soft music.
Where do you find local guides?
I find them near tourist spots.
What language do you speak?
I speak English.
Where do you get help if lost?
From police or help center.
What map do you use?
I use Google Maps.
Where do you go to relax?
I go to nature places.
What weather do you enjoy?
I enjoy cool and sunny.
Where do you buy souvenirs?
At local street shops.
What is your favorite travel memory?
Watching sunset on the beach.
Where do you write your memories?
In my notebook.
What makes travel exciting?
New places and cultures.
Where do you keep travel photos?
In a special album.
What do you miss while traveling?
I miss my home.
Where do you go after airport?
To the hotel or home.
What do you plan after trip?
To rest and unpack.
Where do you unpack your bag?
In my bedroom.
What do you wash after trip?
I wash my travel clothes.
Where do you share your stories?
I share with family and friends.
What do you feel after a trip?
I feel happy and tired.
Where do you want to go again?
I want to go back to the beach.
What do you say about travel?
It is a beautiful experience.